Some grades of 4Runner offer a JBL Flex portable speaker standard or as an available option. This removable Bluetooth speaker allows you to keep listening to all of your favorite downloaded music or streaming service after you've reached your destination. The speaker is located in the middle of the front dash and can be easily removed by pressing the eject button. This will release the speaker from its locked position and allow you to lift it from its dock. Once undocked, you can connect it with any other compatible Bluetooth device within range, like your smartphone. The JBL Flex has up to 6 hours of listening time and can be recharged by either putting it back in its dock in the dash, or you can charge it externally with a compatible standard plug-in charger. To pump up the volume and immerse yourself in sound, the JBL Flex can even connect and sync with other portable JBL Flex speakers nearby. When you're ready to return the JBL Flex to the dash, simply nest the speaker and its dock and press down until you hear it click, which signals that it is securely in place.